Welcome to my channel. Let's cook with Momo. Hi guys, nice to meet again. Let's stir-fry winged beans with sakura shrimps today. I use ready-made sambal belacan. Sambal belacan's brand I used is super delicious. Optional to use your preferred sambal sauce, yeah. Let's start cooking. Sakura shrimps. Sakura shrimps 1 tablespoon. Winged beans. Sambal belacan. Wash winged beans. Remove both ends of winged beans and slice it. Stir-fry sakura shrimps until fragrant. Take out half of sakura shrimp too. Sprinkle on top of winged beans later. Pour in winged beans and stir-fry. Add 2 teaspoons water and stir-fry. One tablespoon sambal belacan paste. If you want it spicy, optional to add 2 tablespoons. Salt to add and adjust per sambal sauce you use. No added salt for my recipe because the sambal paste I use is enough saltiness. It's done when winged bean has softened. Pour into plate. Sprinkle fried sakura shrimp. Can taste crispy sakura shrimps also. Sakura shrimp winged beans is done. Welcome to Message Me Your winged bean recipe. Let's learn together. It's tastier with sakura shrimps. Hi, nice to meet you all. You will definitely fall in for this sour pickles miswa. So delicious! Save this recipe. Delicious! White tofu. 2 tomatoes. Miswa. Sour pickles. Slices tofu. Chopped 1 tomato. Diced another tomato. Chopped sour pickles. Use only half portion of sour pickles. Sour pickles. White tofu, tomatoes, miswa, stir-fried chopped tomatoes, stir-fry with high heat, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste or ginger slices, sour pickles. Pour in 1 big bowl hot boiling water. Add in tomatoes diced when soup is boiling. Season with chicken powder. Salt and pepper powder with 1 teaspoon each. I keep some soup for dinner. Add tofu and cook for 1 minute. Add miswa, cook until softened. Well, look at this soup. Pour miswa soup into soup bowl. Sour pickles miswa soup is done. Can have this anytime now. It tastes as good as restaurants. Do follow my next update on Friday, Sunday, 3 times a week. Please share your delicious recipes with me by leaving message at below video. Thanks in advance. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.